Hello! Today we are over the moon with excitement because it is finally time to unbox the groovy package from the fantastic Thrifty Diva Refashionista swap that we did with the always awesome Hannah Rupp of the Outfit Repeater. Hannah! Hannah! We love Hannah! We love Hannah! We love Hannah! Yay! So let us calm down a tiny bit. Right? Yes. Shark fin, calm down. And get to unboxing, trying on, and having a heck of a time with our fabulous Outfit Repeater Confessions of a Refashionista swap package. Yay!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Let's get opening. Ooh, there's a card. Oh my goodness. Hello? What is that? Okay.
The Refashionistas.
Who's that, I wonder? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this fancy business card. Woo. La la.
Whoa!
La la. Oh, come on. That is wicked cool. And, oh, wow.
Oh,
Cyndi Lauper. Wow. Cyndi Lauper trading cards. Yeah. La la. I'm thinking that's maybe because Hannah and I are both wild Cyndi Lauper fans. And what is your favorite Cyndi Lauper song, my sweetie?
Girls just wanna have fun and what again?
True Colors?
Yeah!
Yeah! I personally like she bop, he bop, a we bop, I bop, you bop, a thee bop. Anyway, that's a little tribute to Cyndi Lauper there. So, shall we read the cards?
Yeah!
Hi, Sherry. I'm so glad you reached out to do this thrift exchange. It was a lot of fun finding flashy and funky apparel to fit your style. Well, most of it can be worn as is. I'm sure you'll think of some fun way to refashion it. I can't wait to see how you personalize everything. Stay fabulous. Your friend Hannah Rupp, the Outfit Repeater. Mwah! Thank you, darling. All right, are you ready to dig in?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Let's see. Just rip the paper. Just rip the paper. We will recycle it.
Okay.
Oh, wow. So, yes?
Beautiful!
Oh, darling, I feel fabulous. And, oh, wow, wow, wow. I have been wanting one of these for like a decade and could never find one in any of the thrift stores that I went to in Europe or North America. So thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Mom. Next, what do we have next? What do we have next? Ooh. Isn't that a lovely booby dress? Cool. I think that is fantastic. Wow. Ooh, and look at that. Fabulous little shift.
Do they glow?
Do they glow? Probably not, but we could always paint them with some glowy paint. And more flashy, statement-y earrings. Wowza. And more. Oh my goodness, Hannah. You kind of went a little bit insane, I think, but I'm really glad you did. Oh my, that is very sparkalicious. It's the eye of the tiger. Dun, dun, dun. No, you're not, no, sorry. And, Ooh, look at this. Fancy. Do a nice little shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. Shimmy, shimmy, shake. You want to do a shimmy? Do a shimmy. Shimmy with the beads. Shimmy. And, oh, isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty. Ooh, lovely, lovely. Oh my, oh my. These are phenomenal. What are you? Come on. Wow, those are the best. So I think we absolutely are going to have to do some funky try-on here and a bit of a fashion show, right? Yes? Fashion show, fashion show, fashion show at lunch. Fashion show, fashion show, fashion show at lunch. Woo! To Hannah for these absolutely gorgeous garments and the amazingly awesome accessories too. Now, click the link below, head on over to Hannah's channel at the Outfit Repeater and check out all the groovy gear that I sent to her and exactly what she did with it. Then go ahead and follow both of us all over our social medias. The links are all down below. And then, you know what? Head on over to her outfitrepeater.com. Check out all of her amazing, thrifty, fantastic, wonderful outfit posts, tips and tricks, and even some groovy DIY tutorials. And then pop on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesaucehattery.com. And of course, as I said before, subscribe, share your fave tutorials with your online circles, and get everyone living a more sustainable, eco-friendly, refashionista lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh, and these two weren't in the lookbook, and that is because I have some rockin' refashionista plans for them, so stay tuned for those.